Karnataka prepares guidelines for upcoming academic year, NEP implementation to be top agenda. Free coaching and accommodation to be given for students in Kota who lost parents to COVID. JNU alumni asked to donate at least 1 day's salary to set up COVID care unit. NIOS cancels Class 10 exams and postpones Class 12 exams due to COVID-19 situation. Tripura to promote students of classes 1 to 4 and 6 and 7 without exams. Maharashtra DTE opens online forms for students seeking admission to technical courses. Undergraduate exams for MBBS to be held after June 10th in Maharashtra. Uttar Pradesh government to give midday meal allowance and food grains to primary students during lockdown. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Karnataka government on Wednesday announced that it will constitute an expert panel to frame guidelines for primary and secondary education for the upcoming 2021-22 academic year. According to Primary and Secondary Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar, the committee will oversee the assessment models, online education, offline education, teacher training methodology, pragmatic utilization of budgetary resources, and other related issues. He explained the committee will comprise educationists, health experts, representatives from Indian Institute of Science, NIMHANS, child specialists, and member of the COVID-19 Technical Advisory Committee, in addition to officers and representatives of parents, private schools, and teacher associations. Students preparing for medical and engineering entrance exams who have lost their parents or earning member of the family to COVID-19 will be provided free coaching and accommodation in Kota, Rajasthan, said Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla on Wednesday. Birla, the MP from Kota, held a meeting with the directors of coaching institutes in the city and requested them to come forward to help the needy in these challenging times. On his request, the constitutes agreed to provide free coaching, accommodation, and food to students from across the country who have lost their parents or earning member of the family due to COVID-19. During the meeting with Birla, director of Allen Career Institute, Naveen Maheshwari, also announced that the institute will set up a relief fund of Rs 50 lakh to help the families affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. The Jawaharlal Nehru University administration on Wednesday asked its alumni to donate at least a day's salary to the varsity to set up a COVID care center on campus. In a written appeal issued on Wednesday, JNU Vice Chancellor M. Jagadesh Kumar said, like the rest of the Delhi, the JNU campus, which has more than 20,000 residents, has also been adversely affected due to the pandemic. In battling this menace, unfortunately, some of our fellow residents have succumbed to COVID-19. As scientists have warned that this pandemic is going to continue for some time, there is an urgent need to upgrade the health infrastructure of the campus. The JNU administration has recently constituted a COVID response team, which has been making all possible efforts to provide support to the affected residents and contain the spread of this pandemic on campus. The National Institute of Open Schooling has decided to cancel the Class 10 exams scheduled in June 2021 and postpone the Class 12 exams till further orders. The decision to cancel and postpone NIOS 2021 exams have made in view of the COVID-19 situation in the country. In the case of Class 12 examinations, NIOS is closely watching the situation and it will be reviewed after June 20th. With regard to the Class 10 exams, the results will be prepared on a suitable assessment scheme devised by National Institute of Open Schooling in the best interest of learners. Those who are not satisfied with the results will be given the chance to appear in the exams after the situation improves. The Tripura government will promote all students from Class 1 to 4th and Class 6 and 7 without examinations this year. Education Minister Ratan Lal Nath said We have decided to promote students from classes 1 to 4, 6 and 7 to next classes except classes 5 and 8. But the students need to sit for their examinations after opening of schools if the situation becomes normal. The exams would be held to evaluate their educational loss in the COVID-19 pandemic. Regarding class 5 and 8, NAT said they would send the matter for approval from the state cabinet, and for class 9 and 11 examinations, decision would be taken following discussions with the Tripura Board of Secondary Education. The summer vacations in schools have been extended till June 6 due to the pandemic. The Directorate of Technical Education Maharashtra has opened up online forms for students who wish to take admission to technical courses after completing class 10, class 12 or Industrial Training Institute diplomas. Since board exams have been cancelled for class 10 and dates for class 12 exams for the 2020 to 2021 batch have not been declared yet, the DTE is considering conducting a central entrance test for admissions. A survey form has been made available on the DTE Maharashtra website stating that students should provide their names, contact details and indicate which courses they want to take admission for. The DTE conducts admissions to courses like first year Polytechnic, Diploma in Pharmacy, Diploma in Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Diploma in Surface Coating Technology and direct second year post SSC Diploma. In another circular issued by Abhay Wagh, State Director of DTE, students have been advised to keep all documents such as caste certificate, tribe validity certificate, non-creamy layer certificate, domicile certificate, income certificate, EWS documents as well as any other documents or certificates ready which are needed for verification at the time of admission. Undergraduate exams for MBBS and other health science courses have been postponed till June 10th, said the Minister for Medical Education Amit Deshmukh on Wednesday. All the undergraduate exams for MBBS and other health sciences scheduled on June 2nd will now be held between June 10th and 30th. Earlier, the exams in these categories, which involve 40,000 students, were scheduled on April 19. Due to the surge in COVID-19 cases, the state postponed it twice. The latest decision made the third postponement. Earlier, Deshmukh had a meeting with the Maharashtra University of Health Sciences authorities, including its exam controller Ajit Pathak. After the meeting, Deshmukh said the exams for undergraduate, MBBS and other health sciences will take place on June 10th to 30th. The decision comes in the wake of increased COVID cases coupled with restrictions in Maharashtra. The state enforced restricted lockdown till June 1st. In the wake of these restrictions, it was felt that students would have faced problems traveling to their exam centers. The Basic Education Department of Uttar Pradesh has decided to give food grains and midday meal allowance for primary school students during the COVID-19 lockdown period. The arrangement has been made by the Yogi government for the nutrition benefit of the young students who are now unable to get midday meals at school due to the lockdown. Students of classes 1 to 5 will get Rs 685, while students of classes 6 to 8 will get Rs 923 as an allowance. The money will be handed over to the parents of the students. To get the food grains, the guardians will have to go with the authority letter to the contractor. District coordinators have already received the food grain and parents would soon be able to avail them. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website theENN.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.